the bubbles come out.
Right
Look
there.
what my wife did. Why is there Dawn under the sink?
Oh, the old Dawn in the dishwasher.
I did it. I finally donned the dishwasher. Now it's the fun game of trying to keep up with it.
Wow!
This is gonna be a long day, folks.
So here's what happened. See this cabinet right here? I was in a hurry this morning and I reached down and grabbed the first bottle. Well, it is dish soap, it's not dishwashing soap.
So my husband's trying to blame this on me, saying I bought soap bottles that look too similar. Avery, who dressed you this morning?
Daddy, do you dress me?
I see. Is that why the pocket is on the back of your shirt?
Whatever.
Who wants to help me make dinner? I have 2 jelly beans. You're each going to pick a jelly bean, and the one who gets the purple jelly bean gets to help me with dinner.
Me!
Which hand you want?
I want this hand. I want this hand.
Avery gets to help me make dinner. I almost forgot the eggs. Okay, let's go get our jammies on.
And the bunnies run and hopped and hopped and hopped and hopped through the woods. They were having so fun in the field.
Are you guys ready to play a game of colors?
Yeah!
Okay, one more time. Are you guys ready to play a game of colors?
Yeah!
So we're gonna play a game of colors. I'm going to say a color, and then you guys are going to run into the toy room, and the first person that brings me a toy of that color wins. Devin has a little bit of an advantage. He is a little bit older and can process things a little bit faster. I'm gonna give a 5-second advantage to Avery. Set my timer for 5 seconds. The first color toy I want is green. I gotta see green, point to the green.
I got green!
Orange. No! Here we go. Let's find a toy that's yellow. Go! Show me what's yellow on it.
I got yellow green.
Find me something purple, Avery. Go, go, go!
Woo!
Are you guys having fun?
Yeah.
Well, I think we're gonna call the game on account of a sick kid.